A little raindrop story. Do you know a raindrop travels from cloud to river, sea, and ocean and then back to the cloud? This journey is called water cycle. Read and enact. High in the sky, so soft and white, a cloud float gentle, oh so light. Cloud, a little drop so pure and round, soon you will travel to the ground. When I am heavy, dark, and low, down you fall, tap, tap, tapping below. Raindrop. Hello, friends, I am small and bright, ready for my rain-filled flight. The wind hums softly, cloud move slowly and slow, and the raindrop fall tip-top below. Down I come from up, so high from the quiet sleepy sky. Dear tree, dear little drop from cloud above, you fill my leaf with life and love. My branches dance, my green all gleam. You help my roots to drink and dream. Raindrop, I am happy to help you in grow in gentle rain fast or slow. Flower, tap on petal, soft and sweet. You help my tiny bud to meet. I bloom in pink, in red, in blue, all fresh and bright because of you. Raindrops, bloom and smile, oh my dear, I will sprinkle joy everywhere. Farmer, rain, rain, fall on land, grow our crops with helping hand. Raindrop, I fall soft, I fall slow, seed wake up and start to grow. Rain fill wells and river wide, helps all live on every side. I am rolling down, I am on my way. Where will I go? Please, river, say. Along, do not fear at all. From hill to plain, I gently call. We will laugh, we will flow, both you and me, till we meet the mighty sea. Sea, welcome, drop so small, so true, the ocean wait to hold on you. From many drops, so big I grow, together strong, together flow. Raindrop, from cloud to land, from stream to sea. What a joyful trip for me. Sun, warm and bright, I shine and stay. Lift you up another day. Raindrop, I will rise again up to the sky. To be a cloud, oh my, all together, rain is life, rain is cheer. Rain bring joy, both far and near. Save each drop, keep earth clean. Rain makes our world fresh and green. Thank you.